series continues Monday at 9 on History.
Boo's taking care of Lola. It's so cute. She's cleaning her. You're such a good girl. Boo, you're such a good girl.
They found sea lion bones in the water. It's been in the water for, who knows, weeks, maybe months, so it should be a bit softer.
What a good girl.
This sea lion bone is an important component of my boat building. To put on the skin, you need to do some sewing. And basically kind of chisel it out and try to get a needle out of it.
You guys are so cute. Look at you.
Almost out. But if I pry hard on it, it could break through the eye of the needle.
You finished taking care of the bunny?
I'll have to finesse it a little bit more. I was blessed with a father that when I said, I want a boat, or I want an airplane because I saw one on TV, he said, why don't we build one? That's the kind of father I am. And
You guys are so cute. Look. Yeah. You love each other. Look, Lola's moving in on you. She says, clean me more, clean me